Welcome to my channel where I keep track of my major forays into the realm of the Korean language. Today I am showcasing the use of the colloquial Korean pattern uleo that is used as an equivalent of I want to. It is also used to make a suggestion like the English shall we. It can also be used to ask do you want to. The setup of the uleo pattern is pretty straightforward. If the verb stem ends in a vowel, we just add leo, as in kada, which becomes kaleo. If the verb stem ends in a pachim, then we add uleo, as in mokta, which becomes moguleo. The uleo pattern is used mainly to express intention. We use it when talking about what we want to do. Let's go over some examples. 지금 집에 갈래요. I want to go home. Or 오늘은 쉬고 싶어요. 집에서 쉴래요. I want to rest. I rest at home. 커피 마실래요? I'll drink coffee. The Leo pattern is also used to ask others about their preference. It's more like an invitation to do something. Let's go over some examples. 뭐 먹을래요? What do you want to eat? 영화 볼래요? Do you want to watch a movie? 같이 산책할래요? Do you want to take a walk? The Leo pattern is often used between friends or in polite casual conversation when we want to make a suggestion. For example, 우리 같이 공부할래요? Shall we study together? Or 커피 한 잔 할래요? Want to get a cup of coffee? The following table shows us how we can express what we want to do or whether we want to make a suggestion using patterns other than just uleo. Let's compare. We can say I want to do something by using the goshipoyo pattern, as in a mo goshipoyo, I want to eat. But we can also say that by using the uleo pattern, as in Mokuleo, I want to eat. The odd thing about the Leo pattern is that in Mogaleo, it does not only mean I want to do something, it can also be translated as shall we, do you want to eat, which can be expressed with the help of the Ilkayo pattern, as in Mogalkayo, shall we eat? In order to make sure that we better understand the use of the Leo pattern, let's go over a few more sample sentences. 1. 지금 집에 갈래요. 2. 뭐 먹을래요? 3. 같이 영화 볼래요? 4. 저는 커피 마실래요? 5. 주말에 친구들이랑 놀래요? 6. 조금 더 잘래요? 7. 저녁에 산책할래요? 8. 오늘은 집에서 쉴래요? 9. 이거 살래요? 10. 같이 점심 먹을래요? Now let's see how the 먹을래요 pattern is used in some real life dialogues. Dialogue 1. 뭐 먹을래요? 김치찌개 먹을래요? Dialogue 2. 주말에 뭐 할 거예요? 산에 갈래요? Dialogue 3. 점심시간이에요. 같이 먹을래요? 좋아요. 뭐 먹을래요? Dialogue 4. 저녁에 뭐 할래요? 영화 볼래요? Dialogue 5. 오늘 날씨가 좋아요. 공원에서 산책할래요? Dialogue 6. 배고파요. 라면 끓일래요? Now you know how uleo is used. You can test your knowledge of uleo by taking the quiz I prepared for you. The link to the video is in the last frame of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.